Alright, am I live? Alright, I'm live. Hold on. First, I gotta sell out. So, let me just... I have done some work today, and I've also done some work yesterday. This game is called Scale Factor. Basically increase size. You can't get through here, but you're much faster and you jump much higher. But when you're small, you can get through everywhere. Hold on. And then your jump is puny. And then you're just walking around at normal speed. And also your attacks are smaller too. And regular size, you can actually interact with things. And then... yeah, and it does that. Although I do gotta make it so you can only destroy them when you're larger. But anyways, that's my project so far. I'm not done selling out yet. I just gotta... hold on. Nobody's watching. Well, I'll just explain each time someone comes around then. Let's go Canary, because I don't know why, but it's called that. Oh, yeah, I already have it open. Hold on. Doing a thing today. And then... alright. I'm not going to be able to read chat much. Wait, actually, no, I have an idea. Where's my phone? I can't find my phone. Hold on. Well, I can't find phone. Oh, no, I found it. Did I immediately get DM'd by my, like, biggest hater or whatever? No, I didn't. I hallucinate. Just going to YouTube. Go on my channel. Live stream. Play Hoi 4. No, I won't play Hoi 4. Shut the fuck up, Blocko. God damn, you're an annoying piece of shit. Go fucking... No, I don't even have it, dumbass. Like, I'm making a game. I don't. Like, look. I'm gonna go through my Steam library right now. Look, I don't have it. Do you see Hoi 4 in here? No, I don't have Hoi 4. You're a fucking dumbass. Oh my god. Hey, this... What do you mean? Bro is biggest hater number 2. Bro's a meat writer. Anyways. Excuse me. So, I've encountered this bug where with the box it makes it so it always plays whenever you... Oh wait. Oh, it's not there anymore. Okay. Well, before it was just always playing the big boom sound every single time. So my idea for the pause screen is having it be a terminal. Which honestly, it's a cool idea. I think my idea is cool. But at first, canvas layer, it's above all. Put this on there. Yeah, I can even make this a little transparent, so they could see still. And like I have my coding tab on a different screen, so you're not going to be able to see any code. So no boring shit. Huh. What do I do? Oh yeah, right. Canvas layer / yeah, and we copy and paste this everywhere. Oh yeah. And now this should work still. Yay. Okay, it still works. Blocko for real reported this live stream. I bet he did. He does not back down to that kind of thing. I am the only person watching. Alright. So this will have, hold on. It'll have the script from the player that says, like, the fucking pausing and shit. Game, bam. If pause is false, it does shit. $sign, no, add child. Forget to make it preload. and it's an uncommon title screen. Got it. Instantiate. Then now, when it says quit, it says global dot paused equals false. So the game doesn't kill itself. Okay, what the fuck? Oh, I know what's going on. Oh yeah, it's an old issue I had. I set it to the Boolean like compare instead of other stuff. Alright. I almost fell over. Hey, someone's here. I am currently doing the pause screen. And right now, it's not working. It's not spawning at all. If you're wondering where my code editor is, it's right here. It's just me popping out the script. Yeah, it's just not spawning it for some reason. I don't know why. Just won't do it. Hello, person. How's it going? How's it going? Is my like OBS muted or something? Hold on. No, it ain't. Alright. You from GMTK? Ah, nice. Good luck with your submission. I am working on this. I'm obviously working on my submission, but I had a pretty basic idea. Essentially, you could change your size and then like you and then you could do other stuff. Sorry, it's for some reason hard for me to think. It's just this is what I have so far. And I decided to focus and go all out on the character first day. Because it's basically the bulk of the gameplay. Thank you for wishing me luck. I forgot to read that. Hey, there's a third person here. Yeah. That was all in the work of day one. And I set up this box. I'm going to set up the title screen. Well, not the title screen, but the pause menu. It's already set up. I just can't load it for some reason. I don't know why. So, yeah. I'm just trying to figure out what's wrong. Oh, that's cool. I can't wait to see where that goes. So basically this is what I have. The pause button does work. It does actually pause the game. It's just that the loading thing doesn't happen. Well, not the loading, but like the adding the sibling. Maybe you have to put it before. Well, not before, but after pause. No. What if I just do it like this? No. Oh wait, maybe it is actually spawning. It's just I set it the wrong way. Let's test it out. No, it's just not spawning. Don't know why. See ya. Good luck, man. Alright. Alright. I did it. I moved the canvas layer and it still isn't spawning. Hold on. And it doesn't even spawn. Great. Now I gotta figure out what's going on here. Well, it still pauses, but it doesn't spawn anything. Alright. I don't know what's going on. That's super weird. I know there's stuff that says Q delete in there, but they shouldn't be triggering. It's not even spawning too. So what's going on? Oh, I'm spawning the title screen, not the pause screen. Wait, am I even in the right area? I'm not even in the right area. I need the pause screen. Alright, did it. Just gotta now. I was just spawning the title screen instead. I can't interface with it. Hello, person. Oh, they're gone. Or are they? I don't know. Are they? Yes, they are. Hello. Ooh, I just discovered a bug. Well, now I just need to figure out a way to interface with the terminal. Heyo. I am currently being chilling and making game. This is what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna make this work. I don't know what's going on with the pause screen though. It just doesn't let me interface with it. So it works here. Oh no, it doesn't. What the fuck? Oh, that's because it's over. Not over, but under that. Alright, okay, now you just, Alright. We should instead have it as a child. And what pause screen will do when it says quit is to get, okay, it's like get tree q delete, except instead of itself it's get underscore get parent. Yeah, that's right. It's gonna kill the parent. And now it should be at the title screen, but I don't know. Oh wait, it's adding a sibling, so that means, okay, so it's gotta, okay, so before it kills the parent, it's gotta get parent dot add a sibling. And I don't know what's going on anymore. Hold on. I can do this though. I can go into this and it is q for deletion. Add a sibling. And it's still not working. What if we add a camera to the title screen? Nope. I don't care what it's named. Oh, it does spawn the title screen. So what's going on with the title screen? Making a canvas layer instead of a control. That's a good idea. Alright. So change type to canvas layer and canvas layer. Alright. Nope. Although it would be nice to have this as a canvas layer instead. But thanks for the suggestion. But it seems like there's an issue here. Alright. Because currently I have it set up, it just adds sibling if it's queued for deletion. And it does add the add the sibling because it shows up. Right, it shows up here. Wait, hold on. Oh, actually it doesn't. Huh. So it looks like it getting queued for deletion isn't working. So it isn't even spawning, which is the issue. Like all the other stuff works, except for options. I haven't set that up yet. Where do I spawn it inside my code? It's in game. So when it's queued for deletion, so basically the pause screen has quit. Basically, it does actually do what it does actually do this. It does actually delete the parent. It does actually delete itself, but the parent isn't getting that it's queued for deletion. What if I use queue free instead? Queue free get parent. Nope. But it is spawned within this. Yes, I'm trying to go back to the main menu. I say like global paused equals false. Wait, maybe that's my issue? No, it isn't. I don't know entirely what's going on anymore. Oh wait, I don't even have this in process. Hold on. I had this in the wrong area. Nope, still doesn't work. Get tree.change scene. I could try that. Change scene to packed, and then I select the scene. Pack scene. How do I pack a scene? Oh. Load title screen. Alright. We should probably get rid of, oh. I did it in the wrong one. Change scene to file. And title screen. Oh. Would you look at that? You are a legend. Thank you very much. I will actually put you in the credits. I'm going to take a screenshot of you and just say this guy's a legend. Oh wait, I should go to channel. I'm going to take a full screenshot of your channel. This guy's a legend. All right. You have my teens channel ID? You'd rather go there? All right. If you want to send it, you can. Or if I already got it, that's all right. Alright, back to title screen each time. Alright. This you? Hold on. Is this you? Alright. Alright, thanks, man. Good luck with your game. Alright. So... And now for level generation. All right. I don't need to have those open. Now, I just need to make rooms. room A1. It's going to be saved in create new folder, rooms, save room A1. And essentially, it's just going to be one. Add in the test tiles, go to 0, 0. All right. How am I using this year's theme? Basically, all I'm doing is I'm just making it so the player can do more or less stuff based on the size of the player. So I just jacked up the player, did a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, a whole bunch of stuff. And now the player is this, which is a cool player with only a couple bugs, but they're really hard to find. Oh, and room. And rooms room1.tscn-instantiate. Oh, I didn't add the colon. Oh, that's cool. Can't wait to see it. All right. I have a Discord server, so you can find me there. It's linked in my channel, and I can even just send it. Done. and I will send it in chat. How am I doing? I'm doing good. How about you? That's my Discord server I just posted in chat. And I am currently working on room generation. Hold on. I ought to add some boxes. This box will block your path. Oh, right. I didn't spawn the rooms yet. What's the idea here? Basically, you change the size of the character and you can do different things. Like when you're large, you go much faster and jump much higher, but also you have a hard time fitting through gaps. So you can only use it sparingly or other reasons. And when you're small, you can get through stuff quicker, but also you are small and you can't do anything much. You can't really do much. There's also having a downside for being large or small. Like when you're larger, you have less friction on the ground, so you just start sliding around everywhere. And also, amongst it all, you have to be regular sized to be able to interact with things, because either you're just too big or you're too small to even reach it. The game. Thank you. Oh, limited times? No, there isn't any limit. That's why I had like a downside. Oh, hey, there's 5 people watching. I never had this many people on a stream. Oh, wait, right. I'm also on chat with my phone. So that explains why it's 5. But anyways. I still haven't made it spawn yet. Add room. And it did it wrong, but hey, it added the room. Oh no. Level gen's right here, and room is right here. There shouldn't be any issues. Right? And yet there is. And that's also an issue. Hold on. Let me just say disabled is on by default. Oh. Yep, there's issues there. Thank you. I made this art in A Sprite. I just had an idea and I ran with it. I should probably say like get child 0. Oh wait, I should even be setting the global position. Yeah! Got it. But now comes the issue that I need to update the place that this goes. So I'll say, var offset is a vector 2, right, equals vector 2 dot 0. And then we'll add a node at the end. Hold on. I'm going to name it end. You add it to the end, like so. And then we say a dot, wait, hold on, offset plus equals a dot get child. That was child 3, am I right? No, that's child 2. And position. And the way that we prove this is by running it twice. Huh? Huh. I don't know. But, oh, wait. There was the... It wasn't doing anything. It was just adding another... Okay. So, let's see. First, something I realized is that the box might have a loose end where if it collides with itself, it kills itself. So I don't want that. And instead, I'm just going to say, point 8. So it doesn't have a loose end. But it still is going to do that. Hello, welcome back. But anyways, I gotta make it so this is added. What if I say global position instead? And a dot. Wait, I didn't even set the position. Hold on. Equals offset. There we go. I forgot to spawn it. Wait, it's not even spawning. Well, it does spawn, obviously. What is going on? Now it's here. I made it work this time. Alright. And it's pretty foolproof as well, so yippee. I made it foolproof. You're gonna go only right, so it doesn't matter. Alright. And now I want to make a cool room. Room A2. We add the test tiles, set them to 0, 0. And then we just start painting them. I want to just make a really fun room real quickly. Because fun rooms are fun. It's not going to be fun when you're going fast, but hey, it's still fun nonetheless. So there's two options. You can either be really big and you just like smash through all of these, or you can be small and carefully platform your way up here. There's two ways to attack this. Alright. I am developing the game. Oh hey, I hit 40 subs. That's cool. I'm gonna make like a 40 sub special. W's in the chat. But right now, it's just this room. And I want to spawn whichever one. So I'll just say hash 1 and then 2 var rooms is packed scene equals preload. Well, it's got to be an array. Preload in rooms. Where's rooms? There's room. There's room 1, and I gotta get room 2 in room 2. All right. Reload room 2A, and then now it equals rooms -1 rooms. What the hell did I just hear in the other room? Anyways. hash -1. I'm probably just gonna automatically assign it instead. 1. Why aren't these rigid bodies moving? No? Oh, they must have been stuck together. Yeah, they're stuck together. And they only got moved. And I finally moved them. So we gotta unstick them. Why are they frozen? Alright. I guess canned sleep is on. Well, that was the issue. I might want to make a tutorial. That is true. I was actually planning on making a tutorial. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to make a tutorial room, and then it will and then it'll just teach you how to play. I kind of already do have a tutorial for this. It just says type help to see what commands you can do. It says terminal, also known as the pause menu. You know, it gives you a hint saying, hey, this is the pause menu as well. This isn't just the terminal. You say like dash help, and then it tells you like what you can do. Like help, you just use it. Quit, and then you can also say what kind of subcommand you want to add. And also inserting the entire B movie does nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the dash part to make this pseudo terminal a pseudo terminal. And it resumes the game. This is like a keyboard-only game anyway, so it's mostly there for convenience, actually. Yeah, I'll probably... I might do that. I might make my own. I might do that. I'm also going to change the amount of time the hitbox is there. Where's the... Also, don't mind the amount of spaghetti that's here. I'm not going to touch this anymore. You know, a little spaghetti didn't hurt nobody. Point 1. Oh, yeah, you have a buddy who has 3. Oh my god. Isn't it like what? Isn't that like how Undertale is coded? It's just completely hard coded. Like Jesus. Damn. Yeah, the dad. I just gave up. Yeah, I would too. I would just give up if I had to see that. Like, I'd probably understand it, but like this ain't shit compared to this. Like, oh my god! Like, at the very least, I had comments telling you, "Hey, this is like the embed or whatever. Handle mechanics here. Other here." And then there's like camera magic, procedural animation, and fighting, which we don't talk about it. And then also finish that has like move and slide and stuff. You know, just organize it. You can use AIS to organize your code if you can't really help it. I can organize my code. It's fine. Oh, AI. Okay. I probably won't trust AI with anything. And also, AI is not allowed in GMTK. Yeah. Yeah, I made the sounds in SFXR. Classic, you know. You can't get better than SFXR, alright? And also BFXR doesn't work on Linux, so there's that. Also, have you ever tried Linux? It's overpowered for programming and stuff. No, I have not, but I will after the jam. Like, I kind of have no time to waste. Which is why I probably shouldn't open my DIY Chromebook and just like try to do something or whatever. I should get to work. All right. I am going to currently make the end room. And I gotta figure that out. But first, I'm gonna use the bathroom. So I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. You know, I'm gonna chill out in the VC chat of my Discord. Well, not in the VC chat, but just the general. And also live stream my screen. Bet I'm about to join up. Nice. We finna ball with this one. Alright. So, new 2D scene. It's called End. And essentially, it's just my tiles. Set to 0. Hey, what's
Hello.
up? How's it
It's
going?
me, the
Yay.
guy. Oh no, I hear the echo. Oh no.
You hear the echo? Just leave the stream then.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mute it.
Yeah. But anyways, I'm making the end for a level so I can go to the next one.
Yeah. Well, you want me to come up with a level?
These are going to be procedurally generated levels, so
Oh,
it's a roguelike. So
roguelike is get a cool mechanic, make it 2D, and then slap on some generation.
yeah. Although I won't make it a roguelite, I'll just make it a roguelike. No permanent upgrades. It's the only permanent upgrade is knowledge of what that does.
Okay, sounds fun, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I am finishing the last ability, and then I have to scream at my art team to get me some sprites already. It's been 3 days.
Damn. I just made since I know basic art principles, I just make the art myself. Which
Yeah,
speaking
I
of
can't.
which,
I can't draw to save my life.
yeah, pixel art's really easy though, and if you can figure
I
out,
can draw like the really low resolution, but you go to like 1632, and then I'm out. Everything
yeah,
looks crap.
like I'm good enough at drawing that I am trusted with a big old drawing tablet, and I can use that
And
drawing tablet.
that's sick.
Uh-huh.
Anyways, you were telling me about Linux and how OP it was.
Oh yeah, Linux is fucking cool, man. It's like, okay, so first of all, when you just have like the desktop selected, like you can just start typing whatever, and it's like if you like use the search bar in Windows, like taskbar, and it works.
Okay, here's the thing. I've been told that video editing programs run kind of crap on Linux.
That is true. It's only because DaVinci Resolve isn't easy to set up on Linux for some reason. Mostly because they only have it for enterprise, and your alternatives are either non-existent or exclusive to Windows. And also Adobe isn't on Linux. But honestly, let's be fair. it's kind of a blessing that Adobe's on Linux. Trust me, Adobe
Yeah.
sucks.
That that's why I've been staying away from Linux. I have been thinking for a while, but it's really a deal breaker for me. I need the video editing software.
And that's fair. I don't need a crazy video editing software. I just have Kden Live, which is actually made by the same people who made my operating system. It's made by KDE. It's simple as hell. And that's it.
Simple beats complex by a long shot.
People like simple.
Simple runs better on computers. That's why I like simple.
Yeah.
But you know it's not simple?
What?
My 400 line code.
Damn. 400 lines?
It's because I have a bunch of variations of the abilities, and I have just a switch statement. I have finally discovered switch statements. I do not need an entire if statement file.
So you
And
just switch it around.
yeah, I just like check what mode the gun is in, and I just have a bunch of modes. There's like 4 variations of the rotate. There's 2 of them are for left turn, 2 of them are for right turn. Then it's like a different amount of degrees.
Yeah.
If you want, I'll screen share if you're interested in watching me work.
That's all right, man. I'm trying to focus.
Okay.
We can still have a conversation and all. It's just that I'm trying to focus.
I get it. It's alright. Have you been watching any shows lately?
Not really. I'm not a big
I
shows
just
guy.
finished Stranger Things. I know I'm late on the hype, but
Yeah. I watched a little bit of Stranger Things. I liked it. I also watched a little bit of The Boys last night. It's pretty great.
people tell me to watch The Buzz, but I don't know.
The Boys is really good. Just be careful. It has quite a bit of sex.
That is not an issue.
But that's really it.
I will make sure to watch it without a child nearby.
Yeah. But anyways, now I'm making door.
Or
Alright. A sprite. And like 32 by 32 canvas. Honestly, something about me is that I can get regular drawing done really well. Like I drew my profile picture on YouTube. But pixel art is a different story, as it is much harder to figure out for me.
Some people say it's easy because of the restrictions, but at the same time, it's also hard because there are restrictions.
And also things are just different.
So it's you're not looking at a stroke the same way as you would on a different resolution.
Yeah. It was also pretty hard to make my character. I couldn't make the feet look right. Like that was the whole thing. It's either make the feet 2D.
Feet are a nightmare.
Yeah.
I've adapted a style where I just don't draw them and I make it like a little stub.
Yeah. I don't do that. Like I actually have the feet articulated. It just took a long time to make the feet work.
I'm also very unoriginal, so I would not be able to figure it out myself. Everything I've done ever has required someone's assistance or someone to teach me how to do it.
That's gonna be hard to make look right.
You should make it like its teeth that are closed, and then make an animation of them like opening upwards.
Yeah, I should try that, but as of right now, yeah, I gotta figure out how to like make these work together.
Instead of going down on the other side, just complete the pattern from starting from one side.
Hmm.
I think that would be less complicated.
Actually, I have an idea. What if I make it open in a different way?
Okay. It's your game. You cook how you want to cook.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm just cooking.
I am gonna strangle the lerp function personally.
Yep. That would work. But it also kind of looked a little fugly. So I make these,
How long have you been using the dot?
what?
How long have you been using the dot for?
Oh, I've been using it for quite a bit. Uh, I've been using it since Godot 3.5.
Oh, got a boomer out here. I started when 4.0 came out exactly.
Oh, so
Actually, as a matter of
2022?
fact, I think it was actually exactly on the date it came out. I was like, I heard about this Godot engine. Let me try it.
Mm-hmm. Also, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Godot. So, just pointing that out.
It's so many different pronunciations. It's not even funny.
Huh. Ah, fair.
Godot, Godot. I even heard some people just call it Go for shorthand. Yeah, this is the pattern I was talking about.
Wait, this was the pattern you were talking about?
Yeah.
Nice. I should have implemented it sooner.
It's okay, man. Everyone got their own speed, their own groove.
Mm-hmm. Everyone's got
I
their
ain't
own
here to
thing.
change. I'm only here to give you suggestions that I think would help. It's up to
Mm-hmm.
you.
Mm-hmm. About like you streaming, can I actually see your game?
Sure, I'll see you. I'm on a test version of it, so you're not gonna see any of the beautiful art that doesn't exist yet.
Mm-hmm. I mean, games do look kind of bad before art and stuff because people usually like
Oh wait, that won't show the.
they do
Hold
the
on,
mechanics,
I need to redo the screen share.
like share the
Sorry
entire
about.
screen.
There we go. All right, so basically, these are the instructions. I'm gonna make them show up at the start, but these are basically the instructions that you're gonna have your gun can do, and you can't see the gun yet. It doesn't exist yet. It will exist. And basically, the idea is you shoot it and you alter the way that the objects look. So you can also make them bigger, and you try to like go through puzzles. I just
Nice.
finished the push. Now I just need to make it so that the push pushes away from the player.
So the push pulls it towards you.
No, it's supposed to push it away. Therefore, the push. I just only set it to a positive 100. I need to check uh, where you're facing. So, uh,
Yeah. So my first game in Godot was a complete mess. It was called Jinx Platformer. It was originally like my friend's one of my friend's faces like photoshopped onto Talking Ben because his name was Ben.
no.
So it was originally that. It was originally Talking Benjamin platformer. But now it's Jinx platformer, and I've made I've made 3 iterations of the game. So one of them was for my it's my first game. It was a mess. Second one, just about as much of a mess. It was for a game jam. It was also the only game jam I've completed so far. And final one was I just made it. Oh, hello.
Please, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, hello.
Guys, we're still back.
These people exist.
Whoa.
Why are
Dude.
you on Asprite? I didn't even know you had
Alright,
Asprite.
what are we
Oh,
streaming
that
today?
Yeah, what's-
I'm developing game.
What game?
What color is the game?
Okay.
What color?
Is it black? What color?
What flavor is the game?
Are we playing
Yellow?
Is this,
Yellow?
wait, is this 500?
That thing is off center. It's off center.
Yeah, dude.
Hey guys, let's go to house.
I want to go to club or tomb. I don't
That thing
like
is off
You don't wanna go to
center.
the
I don't know what these
Stop.
guys are doing here.
It's off center. It's off
We're
center.
playing. We're
Malo.
playing.
center,
Oh,
is it?
Uh,
Hold on.
Yes.
Triggering Mr.
hold up,
Ball.
guys. It's
It
off
is in the
center.
middle.
It's off
1,
center.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The
I
other
have a
side,
20%
Oh.
chance
I'm
of
the
murderer.
murderer.
You suck.
It's
It's
on
off
the
center.
side.
Wait, this is just murder
Which one
mystery.
sucks, Meller?
Not
Yeah.
the power.
Oh, yeah,
armor one.
you're right. Actually, sorry.
the
Not
Agent
the
Peely.
not the power armor one.
Yeah, I'm Agent Peely.
Wait, can we get XP from this?
But I
I
don't
don't
think
know.
you know which one's Agent Peely. There's 2
Why does he have a
Peelys.
gun?
Which one is me?
I think that guy might be the murderer.
Muted them all.
Hey, Batman.
Okay.
Dude,
You want to just go to
how
like
do
a
you like?
There was a
like
club in here.
like a call?
I thought he was the
Yeah, I'm
murderer.
down
My
if you're
bad.
down.
What?
I'm down if you're down.
Okay.
Do we not get XP from this?
So the channel status on.
Wait, we
Sup.
Yeah.
All right. So. Yeah, I know those guys. They used to be in a friend group, but a lot of people in that friend group were total jerks, so I left the friend group. And I don't know, they kind of just harass me now, but it's not that bad.
Just stand up for yourself, man.
And I do. And that's what they want.
Yeah, fair enough. The pain of not having an uneven width. You don't have a center pixel.
Mm-hmm. And also the pain of the thing not doing the thing. God, I hate making the teeth.
I mean, who said you have to make teeth?
I
Who
was
said
about
they
to
have
think
to be-
that.
And who said they had to be triangles?
And who said they had to be triangles? Yep. This man
Who
is...
said it has to be a door?
Who said it has to be a door, for real?
Yeah, just like make it like square teeth or something. Again, it doesn't work.
That's because... I did it wrong. You know,
Just
I think
move the
it's
second one.
fine being a little off center. You know, I think it's fine being off center. Who says it has
I
to be?
think
on
if you just move it like, yeah, that works. What is it? Sorry.
All right. I'm just gonna export this. Export it as door.png. Yes, export it that way. GMTK pictures. Door. And then I set it. And sprites.
Sorry about that.
You're all good. Minus half a pixel. Nope. But hey, it's centered now.
Yeah, I gotta go do something again.
What? They're gonna be like doing something? Alright. Alright. So this ought to do the trick. I just gotta say, hold on. Collision is layer 7, I guess. Actually, layer 8. Yeah, because that's already there. And then I just...
Sorry, family member decided that they had to run out of money at the gas station, so I had to send them over Apple Pay.
Oh, alright. Hey, you got your ways, and I got mine, alright? We do what we do.
You know what I learned recently?
What did you learn?
That you can make tile maps have like an area 2D.
That's
So
cool.
certain tiles will have an area 2D. So now I don't have to draw separate sprites for doors.
I prefer to do it just because...
I mean, yeah, sometimes it's easier to manage than to have it in the tile map.
Yeah. But,
You get to like
it's so
offset the pixels and so, but
Yeah.
just for me, for someone who doesn't really care that much about alignments, just being able to plop them down is easier.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, back to it. Here's
Alright.
how we're gonna make it. We're gonna be lazy and we're just gonna make two versions of the push. One left, one right.
For real. And I'm going to add a script to this that says, hey, get underscore parent dot get underscore parent. Climb the hierarchy of 2 nodes, and then I just gotta tell it, hey, do the thing. Has overlapping bodies, input dot is actually just pressed. And then make a new key, interact. And that's going to be either E or it's going to be X, because there's two ways to play this game. Interact.
Oh, the art team's pinging me. Do they have art?
Oh,
Nope.
art teams, art teaming. How many people are on your art team?
2.
Yeah, last time I was in GMTK, I had the idea of you are a weapon, and basically you're supposed to take over your enemies, and then you become your enemy. So that you can start taking down more enemies. So that's how like roles reverse was in there.
Oh,
It was a good idea,
that
but
one.
I was also not good at game development at the time, and I just gave up on the second day, realizing, yeah, I'm probably not going to get this done in time. Now with it 4 days, I can work a lot more on the game and definitely finish it.
I put an all-nighter last night getting most of this shit done.
Oh,
I still can't believe it's only day 2. And I got so much work done. It's not even funny. The game is almost finished. We just need to make some levels.
oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
have an entire day of just play testing. I've never had that happen to me before within a time limit.
That is honestly pretty cool. But also, I'm taking the more slow, methodical take to it, and mostly because I have ADHD. Basically, I go to sleep at like 11, and I wake up at like 7. That didn't happen today. I woke up at 10, so I lost a little bit of time. But essentially, since I'm just one guy, I gotta not put any work on myself. Well, any stress. I gotta do stress-free.
I get it.
Mhm.
You would think that when you're on a team, there's a lot less stress, but hell no. When you're the only developer and everyone thinks you're too good, it's not fun.
Mm-hmm.
One of the ideas they wanted me to do was, let me pull it up exactly. They
Hold on.
wanted me
I want
to make a 3D game when I had never used 3D. Oh, I got a friend request from who? Oh, it's from you.
me. You are cool.
Thank you. You're also not bad.
Mm-hmm. Blocko is repeating. Is learning words. All right. He's learning how to get parent. He's learning how to get parents. All right.
Wowee.
He's unable to get one of the parents. You know.
Let's see what people are posting in GMTK. Oh, they already opened the review my game. Jesus, what the Mona Lisa Builder?
What the hell?
Game Maker's Canvas?
Someone just, two people just made art programs. What are you doing, Gus Gamer? There's a person in my chat named Gus Gamer.
Whoa! This guy named Pix made the most beautiful lighting I've ever seen in my life.
Hold on, where is it?
It's in Progress Pictures today at 4:28 p.m. or at least Illinois time. I don't know where you are.
Those are really good times. Well, not times, but lights. Wait, I didn't actually see the correct one. Hold on.
What?
These people
Why
have
are
teams.
people so good?
These people have teams. They definitely have teams.
These guys need a life. That's what they need.
If you're a solo developer and you can do that, honestly, someone's using Scratch.
You're a ver-
Why
What?
do people use Scratch? Listen, all right, I know Scratch is good, but like, the
Where?
very least-
Where?
This guy named Sketchy.
I don't see it. What? How
Hold on,
recent is it?
I'll send you a picture. I'll send you a picture. This guy uses Scratch. Holy crap!
They did
there's
say
so many
any
people.
engine.
He did say any engine. A lot of people are actually just straight up using C and Raylib. Which, honestly, I think that's cool.
Use it. I believe that the ultimate programming language is C++ because of how optimized it is.
It is the ultimate.
Because when you
programming language.
when you make all your systems from scratch, you've made basically your own engine, and your own engine is optimized to the maximum for your game. So you're gonna have the peakiest performance ever.
But also,
It's just gonna be really hard on you.
Yeah, it's gonna be really hard on you.
Hey, I've seen people like
Like-
really get some crazy FPS with terrible computers. And a thing that I've gotten into recently is removing things from my builds on Godot that are unnecessary, that aren't being used,
Huh.
and it increases performance by a lot. Godot allows you to do stuff like that. You know those images that like you can keep going and zooming in forever?
Vector images?
Well, I mean like those weird images online. It's like these like patterns that go on forever.
Fractals?
Yeah. Someone made a turn-based fractal game where you need to select the color and you zoom in closer and closer to the fractal. And yeah, I don't know what people are crazy.
Yeah. Hold on. I need to be right back.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back.
Yeah, fine.
Alright.
I have nightmares now.
For I in range get this poor child dot get things for children count
Damn, that music slaps.
I'm gonna have fun making music. I'm not. I'm not saying like I'm being sarcastic or something, but seriously though, I'm not gonna have fun making music.
Trust me, I understand. That's why I have a music guy. He's been doing music for like 6 years now. He works for free, thankfully.
Mhm.
So do the artists. Actually, they're fairly paid. Mm-hmm. Totally. So many people are using Unity this year. I thought it would be more Godot.
Yeah, that confused me.
I got PTSD from when Unity announced the price change.
I was phased by it, but it didn't affect me because like I tried to use Unity. I was not good at it.
I had a
Unity was difficult.
I had been doing Unity for 3 years, and I had a really good game going. Complete. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I had no idea how I pulled it off, but the game was running smooth. The mechanics were working good, and the game loop was pretty fun too. And I was actually thinking, I'm doing something here. I need to continue, and I would spend like entire afternoons every day to work on it, and then Unity does that.
That's fucked.
And then I switched to Godot, and now I love Godot. I can't do anything near as good anymore, but I'm having at least fun doing it,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have to worry about getting fucked in the ass.
Because it's open source. And you can't just
Yeah,
purchase open
bitch,
source.
my
It's
engine.
open source.
Your engine? Nah, our engine. Communist, baby.
Mm-hmm. Communism works good in these kinds of engines. And look at how far Godot has come. It's a great engine. And a lot of the time...
It's not even funny how quickly Godot is catching up in its 3D rendering.
It uses Vulkan, the same engine that was used for Doom Eternal.
I know.
Like,
It's just the editor itself lacks a little bit in 3D, from what I understand, and asking professional developers on both Unity, Unreal, and Godot. But it's been getting better and better. Recently, they improved like the 3D multi mesh and so on. It's getting better.
mm-hmm.
I'm getting distracted. I need to work.
Same.
I'm sorry for distracting you, my friend. You know what I do need? I need different types of boxes. I need like different shapes.
Yep. So deleting the floor works. It's very simple. Random integer, range from 15 to 25. So we can have 15 to 25 rooms.
Let's see if I can make this. Will I make a cool puzzle, or will I look like an idiot? Time to find out.
Ready range from 1 to 2. I'm looking for the end room. Put that in rooms along with its script. Add that. Add floor. And this should work.
Oh yeah, my code works. Let's go. It looks so goofy, but it's working.
Oh my god.
I'm happy with it. I don't even care.
Mm-hmm.
It works.
If it works,
first
it
try.
works. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. That's the game. That's the game dev logic. If it's broken and it does wrong stuff, yeah, fix it.
If
it
it
isn't-
ain't broke, why fix it? Greatest developer saying ever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm gonna kill myself. You're joking.
What happened? Did it break?
Nope. My team told me that I should make the game multiplayer. Damn it! How do I even do that? I'm just gonna get a build without multiplayer, and then if I can make it work before the time ends, I'll add it as an option in the menu.
Still isn't broken.
Say, do you by chance use enumerators?
Do I use what?
Enumerators?
What?
Do you use enumerators?
Numerators?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Do you use them?
What's a numerator? Numerator.
Kind of hard to explain. I think it's best if you search it up and not ask me to explain it.
Do you need to use numerators? Because that's fractions.
No, that's not that kind of thing.
Oh. Well, I don't know what you're talking about, so I'm sorry.
They're pretty cool. You know state machines?
Not really. I haven't gotten into state machines yet. I'm still like a baby developer, you know?
Okay, well, I think you'll love this because it's like an easier version of a state machine. It's not exactly a state machine, technically, but it works like it.
Huh.
You can basically define an enum called states, for example. And then you have open curly brackets, and then inside you just put idle, comma, and then like walking, comma, so on. Different
So you
options
make a
which there can be.
dictionary.
It's not a dictionary exactly. It's like values that aren't a certain data type. Do you want me to screen share so you can see?
Sure. Is this for like animations and stuff?
You can use it for basically anything. I'm using it for my gun so I can tell which mode it's on.
Oh,
I'll
screen share.
Yeah. Really useful stuff. I learned this simple method of doing it and I'm addicted to it. So here I have my state. So I have an idle, walking, jumping, falling, hit. And then in my ready, I call idle. And basically when I want to go to jumping, when I want to define my character as jumping, for example, when I called the jump, I'll say I'll have a different variable of of type. Where'd it go? Here. I don't know where I went, but you have a variable that will just store your state that you're currently on. And then, for example, with animations here, it's easy for me to say, okay, match current state. If it's idle, play idle. If it's walking, play so on. And you can make it so that, okay, I can only do a certain action when I'm walking. Then you'd add like code here.
Wait, hold on. You're using GitHub, right?
Yeah, I'm using GitHub.
What if your artist just can't figure out GitHub?
They know how to use GitHub.
Oh. Yeah, I have
and
my.
Even if they don't, they'll just send me the files.
Yeah, I have my GitHub.
Yeah, no, but this I'm just telling you this because I think you'll love it if you try it out next time.
I'll look into it next time I do a project.
Yeah, it's crazy good stuff.
Hold on. Watch me commit my project.
All right.
Watch. Here's the folder. Are you watching?
Yes.
All right. I opened the terminal. Add that. All right. And now that's uploaded to GitHub.
I mean, I just use GitHub Desktop because I have so many repositories to keep count of. I'll just use an interface. But yeah, sometimes command line is easier when
Yeah.
you don't have too many things going on.
Yeah. Yeah,
I mean,
using
I
git
have-
is honestly really nice, especially in bash, honestly. Like, git bash is cool. We love git bash.
Yeah, I'm not too much of a command line enthusiast, but I do enjoy it from time to time. It makes things quick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Do you want to design? Do you want to design the first level since I can basically start designing?
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to say no.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just asking if you wanted to. Yeah, what the hell do we need? We need this.
Oh, I see what I did. Now something's broken. What's going on? Now my code's broken for some reason when it previously worked. Good child. Oh, I did that wrong. Hash does not equal 0. Alright. Alright. I don't know what happened there. Okay, lesson learned. Make an item sync. Okay, now that works. Why am I progressively getting smaller? What the hell?
This might suck up my performance, but for some reason it's not working. It's not sending me ready functions, so I'll just put it in the
Alright.
Yep, now it works. Oh, what I'll do, just so I can keep track of FPS, I'm gonna add a little delay. And I'll just make it so I can take the FPS and I'll be able to watch it. FPS counter. Did you
Hey, there's the
get
end room. Didn't delete the floor though. That's because I didn't say for it to delete the floor.
Engine.get frames drawn per second. Got it. X equals.
Alright, delete the floor. Now I gotta make it to the end again.
Frames plus engine.get frames drawn per second.
I can make motorcycle sounds or car sounds or whatever. I don't know. It's really funny.
What is the application used for sound effects?
Oh, I use SFXR.
Hmm.
It's XFXR. If you want like a link to it, I can give you the
No,
link.
it's okay. I'll search it up.
All right.
Thanks, though.
There's also a better version called BFXR, but it's based on Flash, so it may or may not work.
Alright, I'll check it out in a minute. Oh, I have recent. Oh, damn. 2,300 FPS. I mean, I do have a pretty powerful computer, but damn.
If you're having like issues with like delta time, then you should probably like lock its FPS.
Oh no, I'm just testing the performance after I made a little change to the code.
Alright.
Wasn't sure if it would work.
Yeah. Yeah, I have everything logged to delta time, and I do know that like delta time isn't the best because it's actually not always gonna do that. Hold on. It's not always gonna like actually like it has like a limit to like how much it could fix things.
I don't know why my hitbox keeps getting shifted to the left when I'm looking left. Because I have it centered.
Looks like I have
Also,
a
my
bug.
guy's called Stickward.
Probably because I changed the size of the base hitbox. Hold on. In looking at stick robots. Should be changed.
I see. I see. I understand now. Right, lazy developer solution. We just take this, we make it a little bit smaller, and we shift it a little. It's generally inside both positions. Okay, that's not nowhere close. What the fuck? Oh, crap. Yes. Big box. Life's purpose has been fulfilled.
Okay, that should be the correct one. Hey, the sound started working again. Oh. They stopped working.
The system actually looks so good. Oh, I cooked. Oh my god, for the first time in forever.
Man, you did cook.
Now I just need my art team to cook, or else I'm gonna scream at them. Anyways, you said the program was called SFXR.
Mm-hmm. Back at the start.
Well, they're showing me a different one, BFXR. What's that one?
BFXR?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's an upgraded version of SFXR. It doesn't work on Linux. Well, it does work on Linux, but I don't want to pull out the command line each time I want to run it. So
Oh, it does. You can't like run it in the desktop.
since I have to download the Windows thing and I have to use an app called Wine.
Oh yeah, I use it too on my Mac when I need to run.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I get you.
Mm-hmm. But anyways, put terminal here. Git add period. Git omit.
Alright, let's try this thing out.
Basically, you could say like you can pick like a default sound, or you can use a whole bunch of different kinds of noise. Me personally, I like using SFXR because it's just more sophisticated. And also, I don't get like railed by Adobe whenever I open my computer. But BFXR is the more sophisticated version.
Well, that was a cool sound. What the hell?
Yeah.
That was just painful to listen to.
BFXR is yeah, it's more painful.
Okay, that was sick.
BFXR is more painful to listen to opposed to SFXR because it has more of the high pitched waves. It uses them more.
I like this.
Mm-hmm. Did you know my first ever game was made in Scratch?
I think that's where almost everyone started.
Well, yeah,
out.
that is true. Basically, everyone starts there. My first game was a game called Five Nights at Astro's. You could definitely tell what kind of thing there was. So for some reason, all the FNAF fan games on Scratch got shadow banned, and I thought there was no FNAF fan game. So motivated by that, I thought I could be the first, and I could get so many views. I got so far like what 20 views on that project.
When I was on Scratch,
Uh-huh.
Clickers, Cookie Clicker had come out, and it got so popular that you would see clickers everywhere. So I made my own Minecraft clicker,
Oh.
and I even learned like complex math to make a cool derping effect.
Yeah. You used 4, didn't you? You used Trig.
I could probably find it as well. I had the cringiest username, Fortnite 19 something.
I was using the same username that I'm using today, except I went through a whole bunch of usernames before coming back to this one. But now it's Mel064. So I'm cooler.
I'm gonna stop you right there, sir. Okay. What was the node that lets you like play sounds? I don't think it was the audio stream player.
Yeah, it's audio stream.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. That's how you do it in
Okay.
2D. You can do it in 3D. No. We all know at this point. It's okay if you forgot.
I hate having to figure this stuff out. Normally I'd go on Google, but I've been trying to stop myself from using tutorials so I can actually learn to do things myself.
I am an extreme purist when it comes to my code. I do not I do not copy anything from GitHub. No GitHub allowed for me.
I allow myself to copy something if it's for me to go put it in a test project and play around with it so I can learn how it works. That's the only time I allow myself to use something from the internet.
Since I have the tism for this kind of stuff, I just understand. Like, yeah, it probably does that. I know what something is doing.
Audio player dot.
You gotta use
$.
Make sure you use $.
No, you just put it in a var.
Oh, you put it in a var? Okay.
Yeah, I like putting them in variables. Because then what I do is I put an on ready, so I can't possibly run it without it being loaded in.
I've never encountered that issue, so...
It happens when the scope of your game grows and performance starts to lag a little from just how big it is. It's just a good habit, really. But for something like a game jam, probably not worth the extra code. But I'm used to it.
Game though, you gotta make sure it runs on everything.
It's also easy because I just drag the node in, and it auto does all of this.
Yeah.
So.
You want to know how many frames my character has? 3. Just 3. It's just 3 frames. That's all it is. Like, seriously, it's just 3 frames. There's nothing special about it.
I should probably make it so you can't spam shoot.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You gotta use a timer.
Yeah, I know.
Timers are really annoying to set up sometimes. They're just so uneventful.
They're so boring. They're the same every time.
I wish there was just a variable type that was just called timer. And then, like,
you technically can't do it. You just say, for example, whenever you want to make a function, if you're watching a stream.
But I also do understand why they put them in nodes.
Function, timer, and then we can say in this function how many seconds.
And then you just make it so it waits how many seconds, and then it finally does the thing.
Var timer equals timer dot new.
Oh, that's a way? That's cool.
Because then you technically don't get your entire player flooded with nodes.
Yeah.
It's a really common way now that they've been doing it. I've been trying to make myself do it, but I don't know. I prefer to have a timer. But just for the sake of this, I'll finish the code. Timer dot start.
Yeah. What do you think of my logo for the game?
Oh yeah, it does look unique, I would say. I'm guessing that those weird white thingies are the player, like parts of the player that's been put on.
It's a shadow.
You have a cool name for it, but I don't know.
The logo's a little weird.
The logo is just there. I mean, it doesn't really. It's not. I'm trying to be.
Oh, you don't even need to sugarcoat it, man.
No, I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. I'm trying to give you criticism that will help you improve. So I'm trying to structure my words better. It doesn't impact me. I don't see anything interesting. It isn't, other than those little shadows, there's nothing going on for it, is what I'm trying to say. It's not impactful. It's not.
I could probably add more to it.
Yeah.
But for a game jam, it's alright right now. I'll leave it like this, and if I have some extra time, I'll change the logo. I should try out Ludum Dare sometime. Ludum Dare seems like it'd be fun. I'm pretty sure I actually did try it, but like I just wasn't good at Game Jam, so I just failed.
I mean, it's whatever, man.
Yep. Game Jam is a Game Jam. You win it or you don't. That's how it is.
I just hope we get pretty good in at least good in one category. I hope we get top like 1,000 is my goal, since it's my
goal
first
is to
time
just
in a
finish.
team. Fair enough. A lot of my teammates say that they've never actually finished a game jam, so
I finished one Game Jam. It was like a high of my life to see that I got 64th out of like 68. Oh,
Congrats.
I was almost last place. I didn't even care if I got last place though. Like I was gonna be like, oh, that sucks. But like, still, I completed a game on time, which 300 people entered, only 80 submitted. So I still did something. Like I still had an alright game. What if GMTK next year is like, okay, you have a year to make as good as a game as you possibly can?
I think there is such jams now.
Well, I mean, yeah, Game Off is kind of like that. Game Off by GitHub. They give you a month.
Yeah, the month longs.
Yeah. Ludum Dare also did a month long. No, they did 3 week long, but still.
I forgot I need to make this a one-shot timer. Why can't I look at, okay, one shot, there we go. There we go. Alright, then we're just gonna make a little bit of an indicator above the player. Where's the progress bar? Reload bar. Oh! I just had a brilliant idea.
What?
You make enemies, and then you'll be able to shrink those enemies.
Oh,
and,
that is
rotate them.
incredible. And you can like change the size of kinematic bodies, and like it just works. Like that's how my game works.
Yeah, I mean, I use character body 2Ds because they're easier to
I do
manipulate
too.
when it comes to physics.
Yeah, I do too. Except I don't use like the if on floor statement because for some reason there's a bug where if I use that it just doesn't do anything even if I'm on the floor. So I
That's
use
weird.
area instead. But hey, it worked in the end. I can just yeah.
You should get that checked out. It's a pretty powerful function. I don't know why it wouldn't work for you.
Uh-huh. And I will check it out after the game jam. For now, I will just not use it.
Ooh, you know what would make it cooler if it fills up, if this reload bar fills up from the bottom to the top. Makes it
Mhm.
look cool and unique and totally not overused in other platformers. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
Bet. Hold
Um,
on. Canvas layer. And I'll probably make the pause screen canvas layer. Oh yeah, it's already higher. So player just has canvas layer 1, and then I'll just make it so it houses a label. Not a label actually. No, I don't want label. Maybe though. Maybe I need a texture progress bar. So under
we're gonna hide it and we're only gonna show it when we shoot. And to make our code visible and not, I mean, easier to read, I'm gonna take this entire section and just make a new function.
Okay. I don't know why Aspray does this. It just has like random it just has like random things sometimes. But anyways, I'm gonna make an up arrow. There's a gradient tool. Perfect. We should make like a sine wave that's like changes changes like the sound of it. Well, you should just make a listen. All right, the like I know like sounds and all, but like the sounds aren't the best.
Oh, I'm not. I'm just putting something in so I'm not bored just pressing to nothing. I have the music guy is making the sounds.
Oh, okay. So those are just placeholders, I guess.
Yes.
All right. Sorry, I
I'm
didn't know
just a
that.
code guy. You know, it's alright. I understand. You're just trying to help me out.
Hello, Kiwi.
Like
I am
the
making.
Chad you are.
There's someone in my chat. I am making game for Game Jam. I'm gonna be doing that for the next like 3 days.
I completely forgot you're streaming.
Hey, there was no one watching. Don't worry about that.
You know, I don't care about that at all.
Anyways,
Hello, YouTube. I'm the better one out of the two of us. Come to my channel.
I'm gonna link your channel.
I'm joking. It's messing around from just how tired I am. The sleep I missed last night is catching up, and incredibly quick too.
Yeah. All right. So, I say fill. I fill all of that.
What was the property to get the current time of the timer? Dot what?
Time left. Time underscore left or something?
Oh yeah, time left. Thank you.
No problem. So, yeah, game dev is fun.
Reload bar. Dot show.
Huh. I wonder where my stuff could be. Hold on. First, extract this because this is a font that I want.
I'm waiting for YouTube to verify my team's account for streaming, so then we can also do what you're doing. But for some reason, YouTube in almost 3 days now hasn't responded to us. So I don't know.
Aren't you supposed to like hook up a phone number, and then you could just start streaming?
I have hooked up a phone number. It's on a completely different phone, so it's not connected to mine. I just straight up bought a new phone and a new SIM.
That
It's
sucks.
like basically like a company. Huh?
That sucks.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty young. I'm 15. I have a phone, but it's a data only phone. Not even the data works on it. It's a phone. All right. I have things that I need that are on Android, and I use them. That's about it. But I had to get my mom's phone to verify my account. So, basically that. But there is a way to change it, and I am willing to do that. But my account is like fully verified. Like, I can't monetize it yet because I'm not at 40k subs. But I am like I am like just, how do I word this? I am fully verified to like do anything. Like I can thumbnail, I can like stream, I can do anything on YouTube. I just need to verify myself further if I ever want to monetize. All right.
This is the pain of using capsules as your character's body. Stuff like this.
Mm-hmm.
So why do you have to do this, man? Oh.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to make the progress bar fit within the art style, as in like everything's like nothing has an outline. So, yeah. Although I do have a gradient in there, so that might be an issue for like nothing matching up. I guess.
Is there? I can change what sound the audio stream player plays with code, right? Like I should 100% be able to, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. What is the value? Oh, it's just called string. Oh, wait, that's so easy. Hold on. All right, I think I'm gonna get this working first try. If I do, then I'm God. We're gonna get our new stuff here. Okay, sure. I will need to load it first, I think, and then it's just the file path. And that's stream equals load. Oh, that's gonna kill someone's ears. If finished. What are you making? Oh wait, that's a cool indicator of your size. It's actually so sick. Oh.
Well, it's stuck.
You found your bug.
Oh,
Make it so you can attack up.
oh, I fixed it. Yeah, I should actually probably make it so I can attack up. So I can attack up. Wait, but that actually might cause issues. Because then you're growing and attacking up at the same time, so...
Oh,
So I should probably just expand the hitbox a little bit, actually.
Do you use a square hitbox or a?
I use a square, so that's probably
Try
it.
using a capsule. That way they'll fall off the side.
Wait for the character?
Yeah. If you make his hitbox capsule, it will. But then your scaling might work a little different. I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah. The scaling's gonna be
Just,
broken.
just. I mean, try it out. If should be fine technically, since it still uses the scale.
I gotta make it set up correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, so small issue. I'm constantly in the air. That could be fixed though. Alright, fixed it.
Okay, go really small, and then try and get into the middle so we can test it when it was breaking. Just fall off of him. Alright, so we shouldn't have that bug anymore.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Helping out a fellow man who's struggling too. Beggars help beggars.
Mhm.
Though I think figuring out a way to give the player an option to attack up would be really cool and useful especially for level design. If you're gonna add more, or if you're gonna add like to the generation some levels that like go down instead of them being just horizontal.
Mhm.
But, well, I'll leave you to it.
I could tell that by your profile picture that you watch JJK.
Yes.
Mhm. I can recognize Itadori anywhere. Or is this a Kuna? I think
Sukuna.
he's okay. He's a Kuna.
Gojo's a fraud.
Oh, don't spoil it for me. I haven't finished watching it.
Oh. No, I was just saying the meme.
Oh.
Gojo the fraudulent one. It's an entire debate. How far into JJK are you?
I got past the Gojo backstory.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not too far.
It's further than most people.
What?
It's further than most people I know.
Who is?
You're further into the show than most people.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I binge watched it on a vacation. Like, I finished season 1 and I got to the part where he used all the purple, and that's where I currently am.
Poor homeless man got hit with a hollow purple.
Ooh, issue. Now I can snag on corners. So let's change that.
The way you change that is you make your boxes use
Oh no, I know a different way. Oh wait, never mind. Actually, never mind. I guess the operators were just wrong, and they were never doing that in the first place. Alright, fixed it.
good job.
Thanks.
Ugh.
Gotta make this
For some
capsule
reason,
unique.
I can't make it so that the sound doesn't blow your ears off.
It's just a BFXR side effect. You just gotta make it. You just gotta make the sounds quieter, like the volume decibel.
That's not what I mean.
Oh,
I mean, like, the code plays it like 80 times a second.
game development is great. It's amazing.
So rewarding, right?
I'm not even being
Totally.
sarcastic.
I am.
Oh. You like it, but
Sometimes the rewards aren't enough. It's not. I don't.
Yeah.
Sometimes the pleasure from completing and making everything work like you want just isn't it.
for me though, it's just always that way. Like I love it.
I also love it most of the time.
So something's broken about how it spawns the sounds and stuff, because basically I grouped together the GPU particles effect and also the sound. So whenever it happens, it does the particles and the sound and stuff. So yeah. But this time I'm gonna change it so the particles kill the parent.
Okay.
Oh! It's so goofy! It just blows up and then just...
Oh, many particles. You need to make your speed vary.
Do I need to make the speed
Some
vary?
Make some slow. Make it so that some can be slower. Some
Oh,
can
there's
be
not supposed to
faster.
be this many particles. There's only supposed to be like 10.
That's not the thing. It makes the explosion look more, you know, it looks right, because then it takes a bit more space, and so then we'll be behind while others are ahead.
Mm-hmm.
How long have you been doing game dev for?
Oh, since I was like 9 or 11. I don't know. I was 11 when I
Oh
started.
dang! I have a 2-year head start.
Mm-hmm.
7.
I've been doing it for 4 years. You've been doing it for 7.
Oh, I thought you meant like when you started.
Oh, yeah. When I started, I was 11.
I was 7.
Mm-hmm. I didn't count like early Scratch as game development because I was mostly just remixing projects
Oh.
and then doing like random stuff, you know? I didn't use
Shit.
Scratch
In
too
that
much.
case, in that case, when I was 12, then if we don't count Scratch,
Mm-hmm.
I made some pretty good games on Scratch though.
Yeah. I made an alright game that's buggy. Like, to the point where, like, it's almost impossible to not encounter this one game-breaking bug where you cannot close the camera until, like, Monet, like, destroys your cameras. So, it's a bug that's there. I might just export it and then put it on itch.io just for funsies, you know? Like, hey, this game has a game-breaking bug, so I'm not going to be doing any work on it. But hey, it's here. And then last but not least, $signs sprite2d dot visible.
Hey, Elliot.
Hey, calm down.
You want to go to the arcade?
No
Oh,
thanks.
right, you have the game jam.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, my sister walked in.
Nah, it's okay. My sister walked in earlier too.
Oh.
There you go. I got it to work. what, like 0.4? Sounds right.
Freeze equals true. And then
What is this? What did I just create?
what's going on?
This is what's going on, bro. They're just moving on their own.
Oh crap.
Oh.
It's gone!
Alright. Alright. Oh shit.
We should add a restart button in case you get soft locked.
Yeah, no, that's what I will in a bit. I'm trying to tweak this timer so it's on par with the a little bit slower. So what we're gonna do is the half-half method. We're gonna add by 0.5 each time. And if you get close to it, then you will have that value depending on whether you need to be slower or
I suggest you
This is
interface
just-
with your sound with your with your footstep sounds with your animation player, just for convenience. Oh crap! You don't even have an animation player. Wait, do you?
animated sprite 2D.
Animated sprite. Okay. So it's kind of like an animation player built in.
Yeah.
All right.
Because it's easier to do sprite sheet animations with it. Because my artists only do sprite shit for sprite, not shits. Why did I say shit? Sheets. They only do sprite sheets, and just
Oh,
simpler.
with regular sprite, you can also just do sprite sheet. That's how I have mine set up. Basically, it's just animation player, and I just change the frames individually. And it also allows me to interface with other stuff, so I prefer animation player. Excuse me? Alright. Time to do some more stuff. Roommate 3. I'm just getting some basic rooms down in case I run out of time. My voice is getting raspy for some reason. I don't know why. But, yeah. I'm just getting some basic rooms down. And then I just, like, go from there.
Oh. This is fun.
What is? Oh, you're stuck. Yeah. Working with rigid bodies is fun, isn't it?
Hmm. Another thing to worry about for when I'm designing the level. Anyways, I gotta open up OBS and record this and send it to my team because they want an update.
Mm-hmm. You're pulling a lot of weight right now.
I know I am. So that's what it is when you're the only developer and your team expects too much of you.
Hey man, you're good, man. Like if you manage to do this all in one night, that's crazy.
I appreciate the compliment.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's my most fun thing about this? When you have two cubes on top of each other and you rotate the bottom one, it just sends the top one flying.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you stand on the corner of this one like this and you just get launched in the air.
It's actually pretty fun. You should leave that in.
That's 100% becoming a feature.
Yeah, it's like how rocket jumping started to exist. Because
It's the unintentional things that make the best gameplay. Oh my god, I got a crazy design idea.
what?
Okay. We're gonna call this in the game trampolining or something. I'll come up with a cooler name. But we'll use that feature where you get launched. And here's what we'll do. I need another static body though, and I will need to change its collision to a box.
Yeah.
Gotta change it up a little. Give me a second.
Mm-hmm. So this room's currently designed like you have to go small, increase your size so you can get up here, become small again, increase your size, hit that thing, and then jump up there, and then jump up here, and you're free to go. And it's a cool design. And with how my room system works, which is just go right, it works perfectly.
More power to you.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. How do we recreate it like that?
Hmm.
How did I do it?
So you know how you were like on the left, sort of, and you like slide it down on the left. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to stand like on the complete apex and like the very tippy top, and it works. Well, there's also a different bug where
We gotta make it so that you can just do it if you're from here.
try to make
it's
it like
just standing
completely
straight.
flat instead. Like try to make it like completely flat when you launch.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh,
There you did it.
ah,
It's like on the apex, like little bit to the left though. That's how it works.
oh, I don't like that. What's that way? We need to make it so that it applies force. It applies an upwards velocity when you're standing on top of it.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how you would implement that other than like removing.
It would be. I would check if I'm standing on top of it and enlarge it.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I call it, if the mode is enlarged and I'm standing on top of it, it will apply a strong, no, the upwards velocity.
Mm-hmm.
One of my art team guys, there's no better way to watch how to animate a stickman from the stickman dude himself, and it's just Alan Becker.
Yep.
Alright, the only way I can think of doing this is we go to our player and we're just gonna have a second word cast. And Pauline cast. Then cast.
Huh. There's a big old bug going around. And it's within the player. Hold on, debug. Visible collision shapes.
Oh, there's the able to now. right before we shoot. We don't have to make it too much, only like 20 pixels down. Even 20 pixels is too much. Yes, just so we can get the camera right next to it.
Where the hell? Like, why the hell isn't it doing that?
Alright, this is spaghetti code, but spaghetti code it is. And I'm not gonna change it. We'll just make a signal to check if this thing is hit, and we'll emit it when it receives a thingy. So signal, hit, and then name is a string.
Okay, so previous direction works.
Hit dot emit name. And go back to this and ready. We say get no this will work. Damn it. Ah. Finally. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun,
I hate this kind of debugging where like you barely know what's going on.
I mean, there's a reason why you hate it, because you don't know what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
This is so spaghetti.
Okay, I know what's going on now. The issue is that, yeah, it's just, it's not doing it right. So, able grow should instead be a ray.
You should make it so you can change your size while you're midair.
I already have it that way.
Oh.
Hey, I finally got through it.
You should try and make the gap a little wider.
Oh no, it's
the-
perfectly fine. You can actually get up there pretty normally. It's just for some reason, just stuff happens. Oh. Brand new bug.
I mean, the capsule is kind of helping it. It's after some time they fall off.
Yeah.
I want to add this trampoline feature. It'd be fucking sick, but I just don't know how.
Maybe you should remove, like, if on 4 velocity equals 0. Just try it. Because that might actually be it. Because we know how it works. We know it increases your velocity on the y-axis because, like, I don't know, interacting and stuff, and it's kind of working as a moving platform.
Okay, but then when I don't set it to 0, what happens is it basically makes it so that you just continue technically falling and just...
Well, you should make it so if velocity is below 0, or if basically if you're going down, then you should make it so it equals 0. Otherwise, it equals not 0. it just does nothing instead. You just deleted a whole bunch of stuff. What did you delete like a function on like how to make it work?
I'm just doing what you recommended.
Yeah.
Spaghetti code, guys.
You gotta like
Is higher than like what would be a really high number? It would be like 100. I think it's the highest that I've seen it get to. Velocity dot y should equal 0.
that's
let's
gonna
try it.
that's gonna be weird.
Up, now I'm forever running.
Did you remove like if is on floor or whatever?
Yeah, hold on. Let me just.
Because how I thought you should probably do it. Hold on. I'm gonna actually take my character in a like test scene. Hold on. This will be deleted later. I'm just gonna whip up something real quickly. Hold on. Test. Set that to 0, 0. It's gonna take a little bit, so. So my character is already set up in the way that I said that you should probably do it, but hold on. Rigid body 2D. It has a sprite. Animation player. New animation. Grow. 4 seconds. This one's hold on. Size is 1.
Spaghetti code is best code.
And then 1 here, but then here it goes to like 10. Hold up. Oops. Oh. All right.
Oh, I think I came up with something. I just gotta check if I can see the transform of anything in the collider. And if I can, then I'm God. Ah.
Well, my theory doesn't work because my character is a little bit too weird.
If instructions index equals the modes dot enlarge and collider position y less than r flow position dot y. Velocity dot y. Okay. That's not that bad. I can work with that. But I just don't want to try and get to work anymore if this is good enough. Where'd my guy go? Whoa. Global position, I think, is too precise for what we want.
Mm-hmm. Right now I'm trying to figure out why one direction works and the other one doesn't. So you're figuring it out?
A little by little.
Hmm.
I think what we need to do is make it so that the boxes aren't centered and they are actually off by a little.
I'm just chilling.
We're going to a pizza place.
Okay. Well, might as well stop the live stream. And